Today we're exploring the enchanting Whittington Castle, nestled in the heart of Shropshire with its rich history dating back to the 12th century, but there was more than I was expecting when we arrived. But in this video, I'm amazed by a sword, a close-up of a cannon, and I hold a gun with a pokey thing on the end. But we're also taking a look at the history of Whittington Castle. Now it's time for the parking. It's probably some of the best parking I've come across. There isn't much, but it's right within the castle grounds, so it's easy access for everyone, and I do believe it's free, but on the day we paid £2 as there was an event on. Today we are in Whittington Castle, and of all days of being here, ignore the cap, my hair is shocking, look at that, absolute mop. They are doing a load of reenactments. So they're doing a lot of the practicing now, but it's gonna be pretty sick. We didn't intend for this, we didn't even know what was going on, so this is like, just happened to be here while we're here. So it's boiling hot, I'm sweating already, I don't do well in the heat. I'm in jeans like an idiot because I got no shorts. But yeah, today's video, you'll see a lot of stuff like with the reenactments, a lot of the old school rifles, musket rifles and the old uniforms. So it's gonna be a pretty decent video, I imagine. It's only gonna be a short video, but I think it's gonna be a little longer than normal, so tidy. Whittington Castle was being used as a deterrent to the Prince of Wales and serving as a staging post for raids into Welsh lands. During this period, it was almost certainly a simple motte and bailey, primarily made of wood, featuring a main keep or a tower surrounded by an outer wall and with a bailey below containing stables, storehouses and barracks for the castle's garrison. Whittington Castle was a focal point of military and political manoeuvres. The castle's formidable defences and strategic location near the Welsh border made it a frequent target during the Anglo-Welsh conflicts. In the 13th century, it withstood multiple sieges, testifying its resilient architecture and the determination of its defenders. First official mention of Whittington Castle in the history records comes from 1138, when it was fortified by William Peveril against King Stephen during the event known as the Anarchy, a civil war between two claimants to the throne of England named Stephen and Matilda. During this period, the main keep had likely been reconstructed in stone, standing as a more permanent display of English power on the border. So on this day we arrived, there was a reenactment taking place for the English fighting the French, of all things. They had a small camp set up showing items that have been used during the times, as well as firing guns during practice, which was pretty cool. That's so sick. That's incredible. It's heavy for a single-handed blade as well.
It's the cuirassiers used it more like a lance.
Yeah.
So when they're riding, they've sort of got it up like this.
I was going to say, that's heavy.
And of course, if you want, you make it heavier. You're going to soon realise that's going to get heavy for accurate firing.
Yeah, I was saying, like, you've got all your kit on. You've got the sword as well, you've got the rifle, the bayonet, everything. Yeah. And then along with your gunpowder and your... That's a lot.
French particularly tended not to fight in these thick blue uniforms.
Yeah.
They actually wore their great coats.
Right.
And this would be put into the backpacks And the idea is if you've won, you then dress up and have a victory parade
Yeah.
and all your best. But the greatcoats are very thick as well. And they go on the idea that it'll actually absorb some of the blows.
Yeah. Them backpacks are incredible as well. They're so big.
Shout out to that guy just now, because he was so passionate about what he was talking about and about the history. Plus, to be there with everyone in uniform and just enjoying themselves was just great to see. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating tales from the past. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Have a story or a place you'd like me to explore? Leave a comment below. Until next time, keep discovering, keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching.